Okay, let me see today what's inside. I got just delivery. I ordered it from the Amazon. So I ordered the air compress. This one, the air compressor. This is actually the air pump. So it's very good. Let me see, but let me take a look. Okay, and this thing. So I hear it. Don't open. I hope this is good. So if you're driving a long day, very often you must need one of those. So save your time. You never know. You never know. Excuse me one second. I don't have the stick for my camera. So you never know when it's gonna get your tire flat. Oh, that looks good. It's quite a little bit heavy. Yeah, it's quite heavy. Okay, let me see how many pounds it has. Yeah, I think it's about 5 pounds. I think. Yeah, this looks good. It looks fantastic. I think looks okay. Oh, so this is for the car charger. You directly put it into your cart, and you see, this is the meter, so that you can see is full or not your air. Okay, this is the cap cover, and it's very long. I think it's enough for long, and but it feels very high quality. It feels very high quality, and a little bit heavy too. MF40. Okay, for use with the 12 you use for the 12 voltage. So I think it's good, but it's still you say make in China. I think it's okay, So I have using the other different one. It's not this like this. It's a little bit flat with the plastic. It's way too much noisy. It takes time to get it full the air. So hopefully this is more stronger. Many people say, one of my friend got this one. He says it's very good. So that's why I bought it. And this one you just plug into your cart, and I think from here you need the pump. Let's see. Okay, it's here. You see, wow, this is long. See, this you put to your tires. So this might connect to here. It's connect to here. Yeah, wow, this is really good. So when you connect to here, you little bit pull like this, go inside, and it's clip like this. You see, you pull up like this, you know what I mean? So it's very long, so it's long enough, even though you use to your big cart, truck, it might enough, I think. Okay, this is really nice. I feel very the high quality, feeling very high quality. and this back is good too. So this is the direction, I think. Okay, so it comes with some extra those things, you know, whatever it is, so it's keep here. Okay, thank you very much for your watching. So it's good. So this is the tune off and tune on. You see, this is minus, tune off, this tune on. Yep, everything sounds good. Hopefully I will like it. So I'm driving car service actually 6 days a week, so I might need one of those, you know. I must have it in my trunk, so you never know, even though you have the good tires, the brand new tires. So the roads are very bad, you know. You see. Thank you very much for your watching. Please subscribe and like my video.